Good morning, everybody. Today is the 31st. Tomorrow is New Year's Day. So happy New Year's, everyone. I'm going to head to a car meet. It's more of a muscle car meet, but we're going to take the Lexus. I'm going to get some couple cars, whatever I see there for you guys to make the last video of the year. And then we'll work on next year. So warming it up. I'm going to wipe down the tables, wipe down all the dirtiness here. I love this stuff right here. This really cleans good. So I'm going to use this. I got some new product. I'm going to be testing this for when it's not so wet in the morning. But I'm going to test this out. Supposedly this keeps all the dust off. And I'm probably going to go buy a gallon of it because my buddy uses it on his show cars and it looks amazing. And he doesn't cover them and they look wet. So I'll use this. Got my breakfast. And yeah, so I'm gonna wipe this down and then we are out to the car meet, and it is what currently starts at 10, so we'll get there like 30 minutes late, but I got a handicap, so I'll get parking. So let's go. Yeah, so I'm about to crash. It's hella cold. I forgot a jacket. Here comes everybody. I actually might just put on my work jacket I have in the trunk. Try to get everyone coming in. Muscle cars. The Altima. Sup?
Well, it looks like you're gonna be. And I mean, to a certain point, they can't really do too much.
I don't care. I like fucking wheels. Like spinners. Alright, so I left. I stopped at AutoZone. I had a what's called gift card from my wife for my birthday. Oh yeah, and thanks to everyone that wished me happy birthday. I actually left. It was kind of like regular fucking traffic. So it was like all a bunch of stock ass cars, and it's all good. I mean, I don't know how American cars are doing. I'm still learning once we get the C10 going, but it's yeah, it's just what intakes, non-K&N air filters, like I'm good. Like the only car I liked there really was like with the Bel Airs, the GT3 RS. I mean, that shit was fucking beautiful. I mean, not the wheels I would pick, but I mean, other than that, it's dope. So heading back home. I'm not gonna stay out late. I gotta take a test, online test today, so to get a better paying job, of course. So never giving up, always on the grind. Gotta make more money if you want to live in California. Trust me, 100 grand ain't shit if you live out here. So if anyone try to flex saying I make 6 figure, 100 grand, nah, that ain't shit, dog. Sorry, that ain't shit out here. That's like fucking minimum wage shit. So gotta go handle that. Probably just gonna go stop at a couple stores, do some errands before New Year's hit, because first of the month everything's gonna be closed. So I'm gonna go around and get everything before I go back to work on Tuesday. So it was nice. I got a 3-day weekend. Got to chill and relax, so that's the great thing. But yep, I'm gonna head home, and then put this video together. And there's some dope ass 5.0s. I really like the Fox bodies; those are nice. Other than that, it's like not too many. It's more like daily driver cars that came out there. So like I said, regular traffic. And then didn't do too much talking. I don't know. I don't kick with these people out there. So keep to myself. And you know, I don't fuck with Edgar. So do my own thing. So, alright y'all, thanks for watching. Happy New Year's, be safe, don't drink and drive, make it home. And hopefully 2024 will be the year that we finally get things going. I just got to get a better job so I can get back and get things going, because I really want to drift next year. That's like my first thing, is just I'm going to focus on drifting. So, there'll be more of a drifting content. I'll build the Civic slowly. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but I do plan on putting the white body front end, get it ready for some runnings, and then also save up for the motor swap again. So now that I don't have the Type R, it's all good. We'll get another swap, and hopefully we'll do something. I might just do a B series. I don't want to do K because California, I want to bar it. So. Alright y'all, I'll see you guys next year in the next video. Peace.